Hello everyone, very good morning.
Welcome back to Financial Accounting online class. So next problem of accounting from incomplete records. The problem which was appeared in 2017 semester examination question paper. You are given the following information. Balance sheet of Mr. Arul as on 1/4/2015. The cash transaction for the year ending 31st 3/2016. Summary of the remaining transactions. So balance sheet, so opening balance sheet they are already prepared, and you can check here opening capital is given in the problem by preparing the opening balance sheet. That means step number 1 is not required. Opening balance sheet is given in the problem. So you can check the assets and liabilities, cash in hand, bills receivable, debtors, stock, plant and machinery, land and building, liabilities, bank overdraft, creditors, bills payable, and opening capital of rupees 40,000. So next, cash account given in the problem. That means step number 2 is not required. Preparation of cash book. So cash account for the year ending 31st 3/2016. So there are two balances, opening balances with the cash account. Two balance brought down, that is cash in hand 200 and by balance overdraft, bank overdraft 1000 rupees. Then the expenses, salary, wages, bills payable, payment to creditors, office expenses, drawings, investments made, and they have mentioned the percentage of investment, that is 6%. That means we have to calculate the interest on investment. And closing balance 1040, and debit side receipts from debtors, bills receivable, then cash sales. And remaining transactions were other transaction, credit sales 81,400, they have mentioned the credit sales, discount to customers, credit purchases 60,000, discount received. So discount to customers means discount allowed to customers and discount received 200. Bills receivable received 21,800, bills receivable issued, drawn, received, bills payable issued 30,000, stock on 31st 3/2016, closing stock 10,600, provide for doubtful debts 10% on debtors, provide depreciation on plant and machinery and land on building at 5%. Prepare trading profit and loss account for the year ending 31st 3/2016 and a balance sheet as on that date. So first, step number 1 is not required, that is preparation of opening balance sheet. Step number 2 is not required, that is preparation of cash book. So next, preparation of ledger accounts. In that first one, total debtors account. So opening balance they have mentioned, two balance brought down 7,800. Then credit sales they have mentioned, so two sales 81,400. Then receipt from debtors they have mentioned, so by cash account 58,000. Then bills receivable issued they have mentioned, so by bills receivable 21,800. Discount allowed to customers 400, so total comes to 89,200. And closing balance of debtors is not given in the problem, that's why the balancing figure is by balance carried down, closing balance 9,000 rupees. Next account, total creditors account. Opening balance by balance brought down 7,200. Credit purchases they have mentioned 60,000. Payment to creditors to cash account 29,400. Discount received 200. Bills payable issued 30,000. and the closing balance of creditors not mentioned in the question or problem. Balancing figure 7,600 because of the total 67,200. Next, preparation of bills receivable account because opening balance they have mentioned, closing balance is not given. So bills receivable account, opening balance to balance brought down 5,000, then bills receivable issued to debtors account 21,800, bills receivable encashed, you can check the cash account by bills, two bills receivable is there, so 20,000 rupees. That means balancing figure, that is closing balance of bills receivable 6,800 because of the total 26,800. Bills payable account, opening balance they have mentioned 3,200, then bills payable issued 30,000 rupees by creditors, and bills payable paid, you can check the cash account to cash account 28,600, and the closing balance is not given in the problem. That's why we are preparing bills payable account. 4,600 is the closing balance because of the total 33,200. Since the opening balance of debtors, creditors, bills receivable, bills payable mentioned in the question, we have to identify the closing balance of debtors, creditors, bills receivable and bills payable. So next, preparation of trading profit and loss account for the year ending 31st/3/2016. So first item to opening stock 15,000 rupees. Next one, purchases 60,000. Credit purchases will be considered as total purchases because cash purchases is not there. You can check the cash account. To wages 3,160. Then credit side, buy sales, in that credit sales 81,400 as per the problem. Then cash sales, you can check the cash account 7,400. Total sales comes to 88,800. Then next item, closing stock 10,600 and total comes to 99,400 and balancing figure to gross profit carried down 21,240. Next, profit and loss account. So first we have to transfer the gross profit. So by gross profit brought down 21,240 and the expenses to be debited to profit and loss account. First one to salaries 9,800, then office expenses 1,600, discount allowed 400, then there are adjustments. So first one, provision for doubtful debts to RBD. So closing debtors value 9,000 into 5%, so 900 is the provision. Then in the opening balance sheet, investments were not there, but in the cash account credit side there is an entry by investments 2,000 rupees. In the bracket they have mentioned the rate of interest earned on investment, and nowhere they have mentioned regarding the interest whether it is received or not. So that will be considered as outstanding interest on investment. So 2,000 is the investments made, 6% is the rate of interest, so 120 is the interest outstanding for the year. Next, depreciation adjustment, machinery 9,400 into 5% for 1 year, 470 depreciation. Then building 14,000 into 5%, 700 depreciation. Credit side by discount received 200. And total comes to 21,560, credit side is more. And balancing figure is net profit 7,690 rupees. So next, preparation of balance sheet as on 31st/3/2016. In that first one, assets we are going to record cash in hand 1,040 rupees. You can check the cash account. Bills receivable 6,800. We have prepared bills receivable account because closing balance of bills receivable not mentioned in the question. Then closing stock 10,600. Investments 2,000. Investments made in government bonds at the rate of 6%, and outstanding interest on investment 120 rupees, because they have not mentioned whether the interest received or not. Since the percentage mentioned in the bracket, we have to consider it as interest will be earned on investment, but there is no transaction related to interest received or not. So that's why we are considering it as outstanding interest on investment. Next one, debtors closing balance we have identified by preparing total debtors account 9,000 rupees less depreciation, less RBD provision for doubtful debts. As per the adjustment, 5% provisions to be created, so 900, so closing balance of debtors 8,100. Next, machinery 9,400 balance less depreciation 470, so closing balance of machinery 8,930. Building 14,000 less depreciation 700, so 13,300 closing balance of building. Next, liabilities, in that creditors we have identified closing balance of creditors 7,600. Then bills payable also we have identified by preparing bills payable account 4,600. Then capital calculation, opening capital they have mentioned in the opening balance sheet 40,000. Add net profit as per the profit and loss account 7,690. So total 47,690. Less drawings 9,000 rupees. You can check the cash account credit side by drawings 9,000 rupees. So closing capital comes to 38,690. And total of the balance sheet comes to 50,890 rupees. So I am going to cover the question paper problems which are important for examination, and the problems are similar to sole trading concern problem, but only thing is here we have to follow the steps by preparing opening balance sheet, cash account, 4 ledger accounts, then we can prepare the trading profit and loss account and balance sheet. And the problem which can be finished within 20 to 30 minutes. As we compare with the sole trading concern, the adjustments were more, but in this problem adjustments were less. If there are doubts regarding this problem, kindly text me in WhatsApp so that I can clarify your doubts. Thank you.